guess it right. Yes, I got my visa. First of all, I would like to say thank you for all the ladies who have helped me, who gave me a lot of suggestions and advices on what we need to do in order for us to get the visa. Now, in return, I would also like to share my own experience kasi I know there are also other ladies out there who are very confused and who are quite nervous like me when they receive the declaration of sponsorship. So you can also check my video, which is this one, to get insights about the timeline when I applied for my visa up to the time that the embassy made their decision. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet in my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also include the notification bell to get updates on my next video. So, let's start! Now the question is, how are we going to process the declaration of sponsorship? First po is, once you receive the document together with your passport, you need to fill out the part wherein it states there the applicant details. And below will be the part where your partner needs to fill it out kasi he needs to sign the document. Now, pag tapos na po siya, you can send it through fax or scanned copy or through email. It doesn't necessarily need na isasend mo siya through post kasi of course through post it will take days before they will receive the form. Now, pag na-receive na po ni partner nyo, he can then sign the document and proceed directly to the cantonal office. Or if malayo naman po siya, he can submit it to the communal authority in charge. Upon submission, your partner can also attach the following: payslip or bank statement, or if he has some properties under his name, they can attach that as well. Now, in our case, we only submitted two documents, his payslip and the tax. I'm not sure the exact term, but it's the tax that he is paying, the amount of tax that he's paying. Yun lang, together with the declaration of sponsorship. And after which, the standard procedure is you need to wait for 3 to 4 weeks approximately, but it depends actually in which canton your partner is residing. In some ladies that I spoke to, they said they have waited for 2 weeks, 1 week, and in my case, we waited for 3 days. After 3 days, nag-email na po sa akin si Swiss Embassy here in the Philippines to kindly send my passport back to them kasi my application or my declaration of sponsorship was approved. Now, so that's the time po na syempre yung kaba nyo mawawala na konti. Now, you need to send your document back directly to the Swiss Embassy. Now, if you are doing postal application like I did, you need to submit your passport together with if in case you want to change your flight, your passport together with a new ticket. It doesn't need to be booked already, but like planned flight, and also the new travel insurance. But if you want to stick with the same flight, you can just send your passport and also the prepaid envelope. In my case, kasi sa branch namin, LBC doesn't offer that service. So, you can send the money directly through LBC Instant Peso Padala, but make sure that you will check with the embassy as to whom you need to send the money. the fee will be around 240 to 250 pesos. Now, if you are doing naman po the personal appearance, you can just send email to the embassy so that they will be giving you an appointment when you can visit the embassy. Now, so far, they received my passport Monday, and right after, on the same week, Friday, they forwarded my passport back to me na. So basically, ganun lang siya. As long as na-receive nyo na yung email na approve na yung declaration of sponsorship, medyo mawawala na yung kaba sa application. So, guys, if you need help, please don't hesitate to contact me through my Facebook page. You can also leave a comment in the comment box below. I'll be very much willing to help, and take note, it's for free. So that will be it. Cheers!